Arubus.
Sandra.
We're like in a mini city. Make sure they're in. There, you want to go to a house? Go into a house?
Zulu, you want to ride in the trunk? Is that why you jumped up there?
Oh, let's see if they want water.
That's pretty funny. She jumped right in the trunk. She's like, I'm in the car. I'm in the car. I've never been in this part of the car before.